Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining. Welcome back to the channel. So today, I bought a few things a while ago and I figured I would do an unboxing video because for some odd reason, people seem to like watching people open things. So I bought 3 items a while ago. One was a new webcam. This thing, the C920 Pro HD webcam, seemed to be pretty standard. I'm pretty sure most people, this is probably like most people have this. And then I got this kind of light strip. You can like change the colors and stuff. This it's called a Smart Wi-Fi LED strip. I was gonna get light bulbs originally, but then I saw this and I'm like, oh yeah, that's what people buy. So, and then last but not least is this thing, the Snowball Ice Black, or Snowball Black Ice. I don't know. Apparently it's really good. It was like, so yeah, we'll be saving this big boy for last, and I guess we'll start with the, Alright, so this is going to be the unboxing video, 3 big items for you, so hopefully it doesn't drag out too long. So, let's see. Whew, it's getting hot here. Hold on, I gotta get a drink. Alright, so I don't know what happened, but I kind of lost the footage. Basically I just said, okay, so I was sitting there and I'm just like, I'm gonna unbox this one first. So didn't really miss much, but yeah. Here, open it up, and okay, so sitting on the top there, so there it is. Looks like it's taped to a clamp here. Put that off, I guess. Okay. Okay, so that's for clamping on. What else is in here? And the rest is just like useless packaging. It's kind of a little bit bigger than it needs to be, I think, the box, but you know, it's whatever. Alright, some dinky little instructions. Alright, so that's that. So my new webcam looks pretty hefty, man, compared to my other one. Other one I probably bought like friggin' 7 to 10 years ago, so we'll see. Maybe this is an upgrade. We'll see in the... Let's find out. Alright, so that's that. Cool beans. Alright. I'm gonna take my coat off because it's way too hot. Ugh. Alright, so I guess next up we will do the Mercury Innovations Smart Wi-Fi LED Strip. I'm just gonna see where the sticker is here. I'm just gonna give it a nice cut. Oh, it looks like I don't even need to do that. Oh, god dang it. Alright. Whoa, these are like nails stuff. Okay. So like we got here, what's this? Okay, this is to control the power button. And then the power cord here, there's a spot plugs in there. So, like, I don't know if you know, but people usually buy these. You know, it's not uncommon. You just, if you get like a portable charger, I'm pretty sure you can use these as like, you know, a belt or like what I might do is just kind of wear it as a headband, because you know, and people know you're a pretty serious streamer if you wear it as a headband. So yeah, can't wait to use that. So basically the way this thing works is it's Wi-Fi. There's an app you get, and then you can change it to any color, I guess. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna hang it up, if I'm gonna hang it on a wall or just wear it, you know, casually, but we'll see. Hopefully it's worth it. Hopefully. I was here just looking at the instruction kind of manual thing, and there's basically, so the first thing I noticed is this voice control guide. So you can automate this thing to listen to your voice commands, and it has like a whole like instruction manual, like things you can say. Hey Google, turn on the lights in my bedroom. Hey Google, turn the off fan. Oh, okay, so this is like, no, this is just a whole, it's for Google in general. So this is like smart everything. Yeah, I don't know if I want Google in control of my heat and stuff, but interesting. So they just give you a straight up Google guide. Alright, one thing I do have to say about, yeah, so you have to download an app just to use this thing, I think. Oh no, don't tell me I'm gonna have to create an account. God dang it, register an account? Are you kidding me? That's really annoying. Alright, so I'm gonna have to register an account, I think, just to make this work. But I wonder if there's a way I can just use it as is and just kind of change the colors manually. And I don't know about you guys, but for me, I'm like, I think this kind of technology is really cool and badass, like voice technology, but at the same time I'm kind of paranoid about it because it's like I don't understand everything about it or the way it's controlled by the company owners. So there is kind of a paranoia that goes along with that. But I guess, I suppose if I really have to, I can do the, at least make, get the app to change the colors. But yeah, as far as the voice stuff, I'm like, again, I'm a fan of the idea. I'm just not a fan of like connecting my voice to Google and having them have my voice and stuff. So, but you know, we'll see. I'll do what I have to do anyway. One thing I do have to say about this strip here is it's a bit thinner than I kind of expected it to be. I expect it to be like, I don't know, maybe twice as thick as that based on the cover art. But yeah, it is what it is, you know. Hopefully it just lasts a long time and I don't have to fix it or anything, so we'll see. Alright. Alright, last but not least, the Snowball Ice Black. Or Black Ice, I don't know. Cool sound. Custom condenser capsule. Anyway, I hear good things about this. People tell me it's really good. I actually made the mistake because when I was going in there, I actually wanted like a radio, like an old school radio kind of look for my mic, like an aesthetic there, but it ended up like this. I'm too lazy to shop around, so the store I went to, this is all they had, and it happened to be their most expensive item. And because I'm a chump, I just bought it, so. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We'll start with the top. Oh, what is this? And again, a bunch of empty space in the packaging. Just a bunch of cardboard everywhere. Wow. Whoa. That's so big, man. Jeez, it's a big ball. Look at that. Holy shit. Wow, it does feel and it looks pretty like state of the art, man. Jeez. Got a little red lights. Look at that big friggin' screw there. That's what it came with. Okay, so this is the USB that plugs in. Whoa. Oh, it's a little mini tripod. That's so cool. Aw, look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at this. Here's the camera. He's on the table. So, let me just put it on here. Wow. That's so cool. It's like a little alien friggin' thing. Very cool. I like it. It feels like durable, and because it's a ball, I feel like if it fell, it would kind of roll around as opposed to just breaking. I mean, I would hope. It feels pretty durable, so I mean, I'd like to hope it is. And then, of course, we have some stupid instruction manuals. All right. So I guess that's it, man. Hopefully with these 3 new additions, are those on the screen? Yeah, hopefully with these 3 new additions I can kind of upgrade my production level for my live streams. And I mean, we'll see, right? So I mean, yeah, I don't really know what else to do in these. I don't know, do people usually test them out? Because I'm going to be testing this and that in an upcoming video. I guess this I can kind of plug in and test out for the video. So anyway, those of you who stopped by and to watch me open things, thanks, you know, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Got something sticking in my eye, so I spent like good hour or so trying to get something out of my eye. I feel like it's kind of still there. I don't know if it's just irritation at this point, but anyway. So I thought I'd give you a little a live demonstration, or I guess not technically live, but I'm going to test this thing out, and just to give you an idea. So it turns out I can actually, there is a manual way to use it, so I don't actually have to download the app right away. I probably will eventually, maybe, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a little demonstration. Alright, so as you can tell, this is kind of basically what it looks like. To the main function of these things is to, I got this little button. I think I can change the colors with the button. I like personally I like the color green, but okay, the button's actually in a weird spot. Hold on. So as you can see, I hit this button, boom. Like, yeah, it's on like toggle. So this is basically like, this is how you know when someone's basically an elite pro streamer. So now you know. So now when people see me wearing this, they'll just know right away that I'm just a total professional, and to take me seriously, and that I'm just a really epic gamer, an elite pro, total elite pro, like #1. So yeah, that's it for the video. Just want to say again, in case I didn't earlier, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.